Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video is about learning to write algebraic expressions. Relax, sit back and enjoy. In our last video, we learned about variables, coefficients, constants. If you haven't watched the last video, I'll advise you to watch it before watching this. Before you can tackle complex word problems in math, you need to know how to translate simple word problems into algebraic expressions. Generally, you will do this by replacing the words with operations that mean the same thing. We have four basic operations in math: plus, minus, multiply, and divide. Common words used in algebra that mean addition: add, sum, combine, increase, larger, plus, more than, and also means addition, total, put together, etc. All these words mean addition. Words that mean subtraction are difference, subtract, minus, take away, fewer, less, less than, decrease, remove, etc. So here are words that mean multiplication: product, times, multiply, double, twice, triple, quadruple, etc. Here are words that mean division: divide, share, group, quotient, half, third, fourth, etc. Here's example 1. Write down the algebraic expression of Z books at the cost of $700 a book. A book costs $700. Z books will cost 700 times Z. Because once one is given and you're asked to find more, it is multiplication. Your algebraic expression is $700, and that's it. Example 2. There are 30 eggs in a crate. If Y eggs are broken, write the algebraic expression for the good eggs. Remember, total eggs are 30. Broken ones are Y. That means the good ones will be 30 minus the broken one, which is Y. Your algebraic expression is 30 minus YX for the good eggs. Example 3. Write an algebraic expression for the number of months in K years. There are 12 months in a year. So for you to find the number of months in K years, you multiply by 12. Whenever you multiply, the number you're multiplying with is your coefficient and the K is the variable. They just stand side by side and it's 12K. Your algebraic expression is 12K months in K years. Here is example 4. 4 boys shared $. Write the algebraic expression for how much each boy will get. Amount shared is $. How many boys shared it? 4 boys. That means each will get H divided by $4. Share means division. So once you see your share, you know you're going to use division. Algebraic expression is H divided by $4. Now it's your turn to try this. Please make sure you try it and leave your answers in the comment section. Okay? A boy has X marbles. 10 more was given to him. Write an algebraic expression for the number of marbles he has now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notification. Thank you.